Hello friends, welcome back. Today we will learn how we can set our playlist, and if you want to delete playlist or rename playlist. So let's start friends. Before we start, please subscribe my channel if you are new in my channel for my more videos. Okay friends, uh, now I'm going to back because example this is your YouTube channel. Okay, so when you show your YouTube channel, just you will see such type of option and just click on these three lines. Okay, as I click in this place, okay, YouTube three lines, and you can see there is your channel name. Okay, if you have already created, you will see there is YouTube channel tutorial or more playlist. Okay, this is my all playlist. So example, if I select music, now you can see there is option. Okay, so just click on edit option. There is option for edit, click on here. After then, just you need to click on same music option. So I'm going to click on music. So from here you can change its name. So I'm going to put my music. My music, just wait. Okay friends, so now I change my name from music to my music. After that, no need to do anything. If you see there is option for save or done, click. Otherwise just click outside. Your playlist name will be renamed. So this is the setting for rename, and from here also you can delete your playlist. You can see here there's three dots in right side. Just click here, and there is option for delete playlist. If you will click here, your current playlist will be delete, which you select from here. Okay friends, from here. Okay friends, whatever you have select from here, you can rename, and also you can delete your video. Then if you want to add any playlist in your YouTube channel, just go same option, my channel, but I think there is not showing. Maybe if you show here my channel option, click on my channel. Otherwise just click on your logo. As you can see here in this place, my logo, just click on your logo and you will get my channel option. Click on my channel. Then there is option for customize channel. Click on customize channel. After then you can see here playlist option. Just click on playlist option. Then there is option for new playlist. So from here you can put your new playlist, whatever you want to put. Maybe you want to make video, or you want to just save your YouTube video. So I just make one category others. Okay, or miscellaneous. I just push miscellaneous. Okay friends, after then I create miscellaneous. Okay, then I click. Then I will go back to my channel or my YouTube account. Okay, I will show you from there. So this is my YouTube account friends. Now here you will see here you will see, if I go to my library option in downside, here you will see the list of playlist name. Okay, there is playlist, and you can see before I add miscellaneous option, this folder also it's came here. Okay, and also I save my video by playlist, or you can say by category. Example, in this video inside I put my YouTube video, here inside just mobile related video. Okay friends, and there just entertainment. So also you can arrange your videos by playlist or category. Okay friends, Now we will see how we can save our video in playlist. So I hope now you know how or why we need to make playlist, or how we can make a playlist folder or delete or rename. All of you know. Okay friends, so now also from YouTube you can create playlist. I will show you how. Example, this is your account, or you play any video. Example, you play this video. Okay friends, you can see here there is upside option plus. Just click on here, and you can see here also there is option for create new playlist. So from here also you can create any playlist. Okay, from here also you can create any playlist. Okay friends, and also you will see the option for save. From here, if you will click here, there is option for watch later. You can click on watch later. I have already given information about this option in my previous video. You can find there, and you can also learn about this option, because there is also good option and good uses of this option. Okay friends, so now just we will see how we can save this one in our playlist, or also we will see how we can save our other playlist which we made in YouTube. Okay friends, so now just wait. Now I just click here. Okay friends, then if I click here, I select my video folder. Okay, now this video will be saved in my video. Just we will go back, and from here we will check it's available or not. This is my video just we made here. Sorry, this is just video. My music entertainment, it's not showing the folder, but here it's showing all videos in mix. Anyhow, just go back. We say this one was later. Okay, just wait friends, there is something problem. This video it's from YouTube, not from my side, so still not. Just wait, let me put another name. I will check then. I'm going to just put more video and click OK. After then I will save this video there. The option for more video, I will just click on here, and okay, just see there is blue option, and just I will click OK. Then I will go back to check it's available or not in my library folder. More video, still it's not showing. Let me go in my playlist. From here, my channel. After I click on playlist, you can see here mob video. Okay, it's available in my playlist. So this is option, and also my video we have made before our folder also it's came here. Okay friends, so now you know that option. Okay, so this is the option to save your YouTube video. Okay, by using playlist you can click from here also, and also I have already shown you. Just click on any video, and after then just click on any video and click on option plus. Okay, click on here, and just example there is right option, so remove this one. Just should be your blue, then your video will be transferred. Then your video will be transferred in your playlist. Okay friends, so after then friends, maybe if we have another option, I will show you which option, because if you have another option you can also add playlist from here. Just if you are making a video same time, example if you have YouTube Studio in your mobile, also from here you can select your any video, and you can download also this one if you are YouTuber. then just click on this option, pencil option, you can see here. After then just you will not yes, there is option for playlist. So from here also you can give category to your video in any playlist. Okay, so if I give this click this video, this location will be changed. Okay friends, so now you can see this YouTube tutorial, it's available in YouTube tutorial, but if I want to change, I can change from here. Okay, so I hope you understand whatever I tried to give you message. So if you have any questions, you can ask me in my comment box. So for now only this friends, I will be come back with my new video. Till then, bye bye friends.